Hey, I don't know if you know this. I didn't know this, but July 7th is Global Forgiveness Day. How cool is that? How cool is it that somebody created a global forgiveness day? Maybe they created it to bring awareness, and if so, I thank them, whoever made up that day. I think it's greater than a birthday and greater than any holiday in one sense. If we were all to become aware of the value of forgiveness. That is one of the main releasing tools that I use with clients who help them heal, is forgiveness. And the biggest forgiveness is forgiving ourselves. And so we are offering a special on our online forgiveness class, normally $397, and it's only $97 on Global Forgiveness Day, July 7th. So watch your email for that link and get the class and learn how to use the forgiveness steps that we teach, because it will change your life and healing will take place internally and externally. See